just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. No long intro needed. I finally got a chance to try the rice water. You guys have asked me, have I gotten a chance to try it? What do I think about it? Do I like it? So today I'm going to be showing you 2 ways that I have found beneficial for using rice water. So I'll be starting out with a 1/2 cup of rice water, and as you guys can see, I'm just putting that into a mason jar, and then after that I'll just be adding about 1.5 cups of water and letting that sit for a few hours, and that's called the fermentation process, when you allow the rice to sit in the water. Now the reason why I'm using fermented rice is because it has a lot of nutrients. Some of the nutrients that can be found in rice water include amino acids. It has B vitamins in it, vitamin E, there are minerals and antioxidants. So these are just some of the things found in rice water, and of course folic acid. And folic acid is great for your red blood cells. So we're just gonna go ahead and get this rice water popping. So as you guys can see, I stirred it up to allow all the goodness to get into it, and there you have your fermented rice water. It sat for about 1 to 2 days, just depending on how long you want it to sit for. The more sour it gets, they say, the better. So here I'm just going to create a pre-poo treatment, and I'm adding some of my fermented rice water into my spray bottle, and then I'm just showing you guys how I have a lot more left, so I'm gonna save that portion for my rinse. Into my spray or my pre-poo, I'm gonna be adding vitamin E oil, and I'm also gonna be adding some lavender essential oil. Now you can choose whatever types of oil that you like. These were just what I had on hand. Vitamin E oil is great for your hair, great for your skin, and so is lavender. They both have a lot of great nutrients, so I decided to use those 2 today. I'm adding a little bit of bottled water just to kind of dilute it, and here you guys see I'm just mixing it all up, and this is my pre-poo, you guys. So I decided to skip the pre-poo process off camera because you guys have seen me pre-poo plenty of times before. If you haven't seen me pre-poo, I'll go ahead and leave one of my videos in the description box below. So here I'm just showing you guys what I shampooed my hair with. So I've let the pre-poo sit on my hair for about 20 minutes to an hour or so, and now I'm just gonna hop in the shower, shampoo my hair, and let's go ahead and get this rice water rinse started. So I'm going to be taking the rest of my fermented rice, and I think I let this sit for about maybe about another day or so, or another few hours, just so I can get all of the good nutrients that come from the rice water. And as you guys see by my face, it definitely has turned sour. But again, that's what you want, because that's where all the nutrients are coming from, is that fermentation process. I'm just showing you guys the bottom of my mason jar. It definitely is gunky down there. You can see that the rice has cooked and is now really soft and milky compared to when I first started out with the dry rice. So I'm just pretty much shaking out my funnel, or my what is that? Oh my god, I cannot remember the name of this thing. A strainer. I'm just shaking my strainer out, and now I'm just adding a little bit of warm water into my bowl, and I'm just diluting it a little bit, because they say you want to make sure that you dilute it because it is very potent. Well, I'm just going to be pretty much dipping my hair into the rice water rinse, and just making sure that I get the ends nice and coated. You guys know the ends are the oldest part of your hair, so you want to go ahead and make sure you get the nutrients from the rice water all in your hair. Once I'm done with the first half of my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and take the second half of my hair and dip it in the rice water as well, doing pretty much the same thing, swirling my ends around and just getting all that goodness and nutrients in my hair. I'm sure some of you guys have been wondering why this whole rice water thing has been going around YouTube. And if you're anything like me, I definitely did my research before wanting to use this. So a couple cool things that I found out about this rice water is that it is used in a village called Wanglo. I think I'm saying that right, in China. And those women are known for having average 6 feet long of hair. So of course, you know, we all want long, strong, thick, beautiful hair. And so I guess if they're using it and they're having success, hey, why not use it, right? Also, check out Miriam Hampton's video. She talks about rice water and how it's benefited her hair over the past years. So I know you guys came here to find out my thoughts about rice water. So far my hair appears fuller, it looks shiny, and I have shrinkage, which is probably from the protein in the rice water. But of course, you guys know you have to keep using it. So what I'll do is continue to use rice water in my regimens. I will update you on how I'm liking it so far. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Stay blessed.